Right. I think this is very important, and we recognize that you have been, I think, championing this cause of Charter of Economy for many years. And on behalf of at least Prime Institute, I can commit that in the future, in next, we are going to elections. Whenever we go to next elections, we will be actually working on the Charter of Economy, and we'll come back to you with your inputs, and of course other political parties would be involved in that process also. And certainly I think this is very important. And moving on, I just want to, you mentioned about the currency, and I just want to pick up the sound money theme. I know you're very also sensitive on that point, but I just want to hear your views on this association between strong currency.
I'm not trying to take credits on everything, but let me remind you, Pakistan was on PEG system till October 1999. And after the sanctions, putting and fixing the economy, it is I was finance minister, it is PMLN which actually started 80-20, 60-40, 20-80, and then 100% market-based. In the first quarter of 1999, first time Pakistan went on interbank, what we call real effective exchange rate. My problem is that in any system, it's not only Pakistan, there are certain speculators, gamblers, hundiwalas, who take the country's currency as a hostage. If the state does not come in play, I think then what will happen is what has happened now. See the recent, did Bank of England not intervene? Did Bangladesh not intervene? India recently intervened. Why? India could afford out of 600 odd billion reserves that throw 98 billion in the market. We don't have that luxury. So we have to make sure that these abuses must be checked. And I think the multilateral have to understand this is neither Bank of England or Federal Reserve that we can afford, that if it goes outside the band or below the band and they intervene and spend whatever they spend or buy whatever they buy, we have constraint of forex reserves. So the only tool you have is the making sure that such things do not happen. We have recently started operation. Just as of last 24 hours, our customs have caught one single person in Chaman border. $100,000 he was smuggling. Is being smuggled across the border. Can we afford that?
Oh, boy.
इंतशार से निकलने का वाहिद हल इंतखाबात हैं। हकीकी आज़ादी मार्च आज रवा।
हाँ, आयत के मुताबिक अगर आप उसको ये रिपोर्ट दे दें तो मैं आपको अपनी 4 सीटें दे दूंगा।
मौलाना हाँ साहब, वो जो रिपोर्ट हमें दे दे और वो जो नीली पीली चैनल है वो लगाए। जाओ शहबाज।
हम ऐसा टीवी देखते ही नहीं जिसका रिमोट हमारे हाथ में ना हो।
और यहाँ पे कोई 2 नंबर ही नहीं चलेगी। और हम कोई गुलाम है जो आप रिमोट मांगे हम दे दें? एब्सोल्युटली नॉट। यहाँ पे सिर्फ पाकिस्तान का नंबर 1 चैनल चलेगा, बोल, जो हकीकी सहाफत की जंग लड़ रहा है। पाकिस्तान के लिए कोई और नहीं, सिर्फ बोल खड़ा है। आप सब भी बोल देखें।
सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल दबाएं ताकि कोई खबर रह न जाए।